for something. I think now it's time to see the man behind the hand. Uh-huh. It's time.
Large yourself.
Big house?
Big college.
Oh, college. I love my videos. Yep, it's time.
Who the hell's hands are those?
Yeah, show me them.
Oh.
Yep, I found Bigfoot. Well, more big hands. See, it's cute. Little town. What town is this?
This is
Ooh, Subway. Oh, this is Delhi.
They opened that tractor supply. Damn, that was quick. This is where I used to call you from right here.
Oh, really?
Always by that
Traffic
church.
light.
Yeah, I used to pull up to the pump. Ooh, give me service. I'd back over away from the pump. Get service. He'd park over there by the fence. I'd be sitting here in the car. He'd be pacing up and down.
Oh, God.
Yeah. Ooh, you know what they need in this town? Is a gun shop.
They probably got one, but we just don't know where it is.
Now wait a minute, wouldn't 10, if I take 10 out of here, wouldn't that take
Yeah. I'll ask the lady in the pistol permit. She got no.
Yeah, look at a map in there. We'll look it up on the map.
Yep, very nice.
Now this is the county seat
Okay.
for Delaware County.
Yeah.
This is where you would go for social services and all that shit.
Jeez.
And that's the county building.
Wow. Yep.
Let's see, he's going to ride all over the place when there's a spot. It's right there.
I know.
It says handicap.
It's right there.
It says handicap
You
right
are.
there.
You are.
But I can park.
Right
I can park right here.
Good.
He has a bad.
See, I'm learning.
He has a bad hip.